Converting an HTML website to WordPress is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it. Ensure you follow each step carefully to avoid missing anything crucial. First, open any browser on your system and search for WordPress. Once you're on the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section on the left side. Click on Add New and search for the Elementor plugin in the search bar. Install and activate it. Next, go to the Posts section, click on All Posts, and select the post you want to edit. Choose Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, search for the shortcode widget in the left sidebar and add it to your post. Now, open your HTML website and access the body of the website code. Select the code from the opening body tag to the closing /body tag and copy it. Return to WordPress, paste the copied code into the Elementor editor. Your HTML website content should now appear in WordPress. That's it. You've successfully converted your HTML website to WordPress.